The class attributes. To define a style for a special type class of elements, add a class attribute to the element. This is how we add the class elements, similar to the ID. Now you can define a different style for all elements with a specified class. Example. So you could see that for the class you use a dot to represent a class, unlike the ID where you use a hashtag to represent ID. Right, let's see how this looks like in our document. So let's create a different paragraph. I am different. Okay, then we put a class here. We call this tray. Okay, so we go up here. I'm gonna put the class member. It's a dot sign, not an hashtag. The hashtag is for the IDs, while the dot is for the class. So we turn this color to white. Then I might not show. So we also put a border, 3 pixel, solid, black. I think I'll just put a background color since we're using the color of white, so to show, so you could see the difference of what we're talking about. So I'm going to put a background color of we could say cyan. We'll save and preview. Watch what happens. You see that? I think cyan is too bright. But you see what happens. We have the border color, we have the background color, we have a different color for this paragraph. So this is a class. So it differentiates this text also from the other paragraph. I think cyan is too bright. Let's use something darker. Okay, let's use something else. I am original. Save and preview. You can see. So this is the default way the text will usually appear. But we have 3 different paragraphs who appear differently from the default one. So with IDs and with classes, we can affect the way our HTML elements are displayed in our document. Okay. So let's go over to Dreamweaver. As you can see, it's telling me that the file has been modified outside of Dreamweaver. So we click on yes. Okay. So you can see that our previewing is showing us exactly what we want to see. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to the code view. I want to copy this and then create another paragraph. I'm going to paste that here. And I'm going to add a class here. I'm going to call this class tray1. Come up to the style elements here and right there, p.tray1. Okay. So for this one, we're going to use a font family of Verdana. Then we're going to use a font size of 40 pixels. Then I'm going to use a color of see, good thing about Dreamweaver, you have options of colors to use while in the software without having to go to an external page to find a color that you want. So let's use Birdie Wood here. Okay, for this we don't need to save and preview, we just preview it right here by going to the splits menu. Oh, there you have it, Birdie Wood. So whatever I want to change the color, you can see it's changing in real time. Let's say I want to use a different color now. As you can see, it's changing in real time. As I delete that, it goes back to default black. Let's say I use Indian red. So this is one of the reasons why I like Dreamweaver. It shows you real-time changes while you're coding. You don't have to save and preview on an external website.